Hello champions. Okay, so this is going to be revision video for chapter 2 equations. This will contain 5 parts. So this video we will call as part 1. Okay, let us start. Learning objectives. Okay, so you will understand about what are equations that you already know. Suppose 2x plus 3 equals to 5 is an equation. The degree of this equation is linear. Simultaneous means if you have two of such equations, then they are called as simultaneous linear equations, that is degree 1. Quadratic means highest variable power is 2. Cubic equations means degree 3. Okay, and you're going to see how you will solve with different methods. Before we go ahead with the chapter revision, in this chapter, if any such question comes for finding out the value of x, y, z, then most probably you should take the help of the options and substitute it in the equations. Let's see chapter overview. Definitions, we know quadratic equation, degree 2, nature of roots means solution, what is the solution of this. Methods of solving three linear equations with three variables. Okay, there will be three equations with three variables. Okay, so for three variables, you need at least three equations to solve this. For two variables, you need at least two equations, and for one variable, you can also solve it with one equation itself. Okay, so quadratic equation. Okay, the nature of roots for this one, construction of quadratic equation, that is power 2. Roots of quadratic equation, again that is the same thing, solution. Okay, simultaneous equations in two unknown means x and y, so you will need two linear equations. Simple equation means degree 1, that is linear equation. Methods of solution, there will be cross multiplication and elimination. However, we have only studied elimination method since that is easier. Still, in the exam, you should be using options and substituting for faster solution. So in the introduction part, you have seen what is equation known as. It is mathematical statement of equality. Okay, so if the equality is true, okay, it's known as conditional equation. So what is conditional equation? For example, in this equation, okay, there is only one value of x that will satisfy this equation. However, in this equation, any value of x put on the left hand side or right hand side, you will get the equation as true. So that is known as true for all the variables involved, then it is known as identity. Okay, so this one is conditional and the second one is identity. Okay, we have seen solution means root. Okay, highest power 1 is linear or simple equation, that is degree 1. Degree 2 means two or more linear equation means two or more variables, simultaneous linear equations. Degree 2 means quadratic. Degree 3 is cubic equation. Some examples are given here for identifying different linear, quadratic, cubic, and jointly they are known as simultaneous equations. Let's see. Simple equation again in this form with degree 1, that is known as linear equation. So example 1. In the in the exam you are going to get options. Okay, however, we'll still solve it with the expansion method. So what do you get? You get, let's take all the variable side on one side, left hand side. So you get 4x divided by 3 minus 14x divided by 15 is equals to 19 by 5 plus 1. So 1 means 5 by 5. Okay, and if you multiply 5 here, so you get base is equals to same. So you get 20x minus 14x is 6x divided by 15 is equals to 19 plus 5 is 24 divided by 5. So you get 5 into 6x is 30x is equals to 24 into 15 is equals to 360. Right? So x is equals to 360 divided by 30. That is 12. Okay? Correct. The exercise part you should solve by substituting. Let's take the illustration over here. Again, you have to find the fraction. The denominator of a fraction exceeds the numerator by 5. Okay, so denominator exceeds the numerator by 5. If 3 is added to both the ends, you will get the fraction as 3 by 4. Simple, so you have to solve. So you get 4x plus 12 is equals to 3x plus 8. So x is equals to 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay. Okay, I did something wrong. You get 4x plus 12 is equals to 3x plus 8 into 3, 24. So x is equals to 12. Yeah, I did it right. X is equals to 12. So the fraction becomes 12 and 12 plus 5. That is 12 by 17. Okay. Second, you have to find the present age of A. Suppose present age is X. So if thrice of A's age 6 years ago be subtracted from twice his present age, the result would be equal to his present age. You got the equation. Always form the equation while you read the text. Okay, you get 2x minus 3x plus 18 is equals to x. So 18 is equals to 2x. Therefore, x is 9. Correct. Let's check third illustration. You get a number consists of two digits. Again, you have to find the number. So there are two digits. The digit in the tens place is twice the digit in units place. Okay. So this is 2x and this is x. So if 18 be subtracted from the number, so 10 into 2x plus x whole minus 18, the digits get reversed. You get 10x plus 2x. Let's solve. 20x plus x is 21x minus 18 is equals to 12x. So therefore 21 minus 12 becomes 9x is equals to 18. Therefore x is equals to 2. So the number becomes 2 and 4. That is 42. Correct. Fourth illustration, for a certain commodity, okay, the demand equation is given. P is for price, D is for demand. Okay, this is the equation, and supply equation is also given. The market price is such that demand is equals to supply. So just equate both the equation. You will get the price value. Right? So you have 1000 minus 100p is equals to 75p minus 75 into 3 is 225. Okay, so you have 1225 is equals to 175p. So let's divide 1225 divided by 175 is 7. So therefore P is equals to 7. Price is 7. So D is equals to S is equals to, substitute here, 10 minus 7 is 3 into 100 is 300. Correct. Let's move on to the revision of simultaneous linear equations in two unknowns. What do you mean? So linear equation in two unknown is written like this: ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So if you write two such equations, you will get two linear simultaneous equations where same value will satisfy both the equations, and you will have to find out the roots of such equations. So method of solution, we have seen elimination method by eliminating one of the variables. Let's see with the example 1. Okay, so you get 2x plus 5y is equals to 9, 3x minus y is equals to 5, right? So multiply this with 5, you get 15x minus 5y is equals to 25. Let's add. You get 17x is equals to 34. Therefore, x is equals to 2. And substitute in this equation. You get y is equals to 9 minus 2 into 2, 4 divided by 5, which is equals to 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. So y is 1 and x is 2. Correct. So this is the elimination method. In any case, if you need to solve it through equations and the options are not given in direct x equals to and y equals to something, then use elimination method. Okay. Example 2 again similarly. Okay. If you multiply this equation with 3, you get 9x plus 6y plus 17 into 3 is 51 equals to 0, and 5x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. Add the equations. This gets cancelled. So 51 minus 9 is 42 over here, and 9 plus 5 is 14x. So x becomes minus 42 divided by 14 is minus 3. And let us substitute again here. You get y is equals to minus 17 minus 3 into 3. Okay, it will become plus 9 whole divided by 2. So 9 minus 17 divided by 2 is minus 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. Correct. So method of solving simultaneous linear equation with three variables. If you have three variables, how are you going to solve? Again, similarly, cancel out the common variables. Okay, what do you get? Suppose if you focus on z over here, so we already have 4z in addition minus 2z here, so let's make it my 2 and subtract this equation. So you get, if I multiply 2 in this equation, I'm going to get 4x minus y plus 2z. Okay, sorry, 4x minus 2y plus 2z is equals to 3 into 2, 6. Then 3y minus 2z is equals to, okay, something is missing. So this is 6, right? So x plus 3y minus 2z is equals to 11, and 3x minus 2y plus 4z is equals to 1. Now add these two equations and subtract this one. So all these get cancelled, right? So first add the below two equations. So you get 11 plus 1, 12, minus 6 is 6 here, right? 3y minus 2y is y, and y minus minus becomes plus, so this becomes 3y. Okay, and 4x, 3x plus x is 4x, and 4x minus 4x is 0. So 3y is equals to 6, so y becomes 2. Okay, now let's substitute in two equations. Y is 2 now. So you have 2x plus z is equals to 5, and x minus 2z is equals to 11 minus 6, that is again 5. So multiply this with 2. So 2x minus 4z is equals to 10. Now subtract these two. So this gets cancelled. You have 5z is equals to 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So z is equals to minus 1. Correct? Right. So y was minus 2. Am I doing it right? Y was minus 2. Okay, y was 2 and z was minus 1, right? Y was 2, z was minus 1, and substitute for x. So 2x minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 3. So you get x is equals to 3 plus 3. 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So 3, 2 and minus 1. Right. Next example number 2. If you substitute 1 by x equals to u, 1 by y equals to v, and 1 by z equals to w, you will get equations. U plus v plus w is equals to 5, and 2u minus 3v minus 4w is equals to minus 11, and 3u plus 2v minus w is equals to minus 6. Okay, so let's take first and second equation. If I multiply 2 and subtract, so you get 2u plus 2v plus 2w is equals to 10, and subtract these two. Now you get this get cancelled. 2v plus 3v is 5v, 2w plus 4w is plus 6w, and 10 plus 11 is 21. Now this and this equation, multiply 3 here. So 3u plus 3v plus 3w is equals to 15. Now this and this equation, subtract. You get minus v, and minus 4w is equals to minus 6 plus 15 becomes 21. So cancel all the minus sign. Everything becomes plus, right? Now multiply the second equation with 5. You have 5v plus 5 into 4 20 w is equals to 21 into 5 becomes 105. Okay, 105, right? So now this and this equation cancel. You get 6w minus 20. 6 minus 20 becomes minus 14w is equals to 21 minus 105 is equals to minus 84. Minus minus cancel. So 84 divided by 14 becomes 6. So W is 6. Okay. W becomes 6. So now you have U plus V is equals to minus 1. So W is 6. And you have 2U minus 3V is equals to minus 11 plus 4 into 6, 24. So 24 minus 11 becomes 13. So you have 13, right? So let's multiply 2 here. So you get 2U plus 2V is equals to minus 2. Now subtract, you get this gets cancelled. 5V is equals to minus 2, minus 13 becomes minus 15. So V is equals to minus 3. V is minus 3. So U, substitute here, you get U is equals to minus 1 plus 3, that is U equals to 2. So 2 minus 3 and 6. 2 minus 3 and 6. Correct answer. Let's see example 3 quickly. Again, if you carefully observe, 1 by x plus 1 by y can be written as x plus y divided by xy, and this is the inverse. So let's inverse this part. You get 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 70. 1 by x plus 1 by z is equals to 1 by 84, and 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 1 by 140. Again, let's subtract these two. What do you get? 1 by y minus 1 by z is equals to 1 by 70 minus 1 by 84. Now let's add these two. You get 2 by y is equals to. So first subtract this part on your calculator. On your calci, 1 divided by 70 memory plus 1 divided by 84 memory minus, then memory. So now you have to add 1 by 40. So 1 divided by 140 memory plus. So memory recall. Okay. You get some 0.00952. Now y becomes, so now on your calculator, 2 divided by memory recall. So y is equals to 210. Okay. Now you got y equals to 210. Let us substitute. So you have 1 by x plus 1 by 210 is equals to 1 by 70. On your calculator, 1 divided by 70. 1 divided by 70 memory plus, and 1 divided by 210 memory minus. Okay, memory recall divide equals to. So x is equals to 105, and now substitute in this one, that is 1 by y plus 1 by z is equals to 1 by 140. So what was y? Y was 210. Okay, so y was 210. On your calculator, 1 divided by 140 memory plus 1 divided by 210 memory minus memory recall divide equals to. So z is equals to 420. So 105, 210 and 420. 105, 210 and 420. Correct. So here we complete the first part of our revision video. We will continue in the next part. Thank you.